Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about something slightly different. Today I'm going to talk about induction heaters. So this video is going to be a short little video on an induction heater. So this is a local company called inductionheaters.co.uk is their website, and they've loaned me a unit called an AES, Automotive Equipment Solutions Limited induction heater. So it's a 1.5 kilowatt unit. It's a nice mobile, smallish unit designed for light to medium use induction heater at home and small workshops. It's ideal for anything sort of 24mm size, which would be absolutely ideal for restoring the engines. What they've kindly done is offered a 10% discount code, which is a one-time use code in the link below in the description. So what I'll do, I'll talk about what you get in the box, the unit, you'll see me use it, and again, I'll put the description, the link to the website and the discount code in there for all of you to use. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a like, subscribe below, and follow along to see what I get to. I hope you find this very interesting. So what needs to get inside the box? The carry case. Get the instruction manuals. So this is a 1.5 kilowatt unit. The main heater itself. So the control unit connected by a wire and a selection of coils. And this is a few starter coils you need to basically get going. There is a selection of other coils which are significantly bigger, and also say the conductor coil. This one I find very, very useful, particularly for doing nuts. So I'll demonstrate how it works now. So this unit is incredibly simple. It comes with a standard UK 3-pin 13 amp, in fact it's a 10 amp fuse plug, which goes straight into a standard plug. To then set the unit up, you would get the handpiece and the selected coil. So we're going to use the contact coil. That drops in the top. You use 2 thumb screws on the side to tighten it in. And then it's just a case of getting the unit, and there's a little on-off switch at the back, and the unit is ready to use. To get the handpiece to fire up, because it's cold at the moment, and it's the only piece that gets hot, there's a red activation button on the back, and as soon as you press that, the fan kicks in to help cool it, and there's a little LED light so you can see what you're doing. Now to get over to the fun stuff and start warming something. So, to get the unit to work, it's just a case of getting the flat piece, holding it directly against where you want to heat, and pressing the button. The button's now pressed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You see there, the part was glowing. And it's now come free. There's no trickery. That part is really hot. You can still see it smoking. These were spinning inside of here because they were seized. I'll demonstrate another one. So what I've done, I've swapped to the coil. So this fits over nicely over both of them. Just to prove, these are completely cold. And I'm going to pull it over, again, press the button and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and we are glowing red. Just get the correct size spanner.
Easy as that.
Completely free. And again with this one, exactly the same. And obviously they are very hot now. You see they've gone bright red, but just show you one a little bit further away how it'll fare. So just show it heating the nut on its own. Just going to take it out, and now there you go. Just give you an idea of the power of this little heater. Completely cold. So that is the petrol trolley stripped using the Automotive Equipment Solutions or the AES 1.5 induction heater. The two pieces I used was the contact pad for a couple around the axle that I couldn't get to with the coil, and the coil for the bulk, as I could be able to drop it over the nut completely. There's 20 nuts on here. I've not had to cut a single one. Yes, there's a burr on one I've just had to touch the top up on that plate to be able to unwind it, but I've not had to cut a single nut. Every one of these spun in the woodwork, so I'm really pleased with this. So there is a discount code in this video for the Mini, the 1.5 like this, and the 3.5. I can't recommend this enough. It's something I've been after for a long time. And like I said, Tom has been very kind to loan me this unit and to also offer you a 10% discount against one of these as a single time purchase. So if you head over to inductionheaters.co.uk, you'll be able to find the full selection of what he offers. So the next job for the petrol trolley is to strip all the woodwork, metalwork off completely and take it to my woodman to be able to get some new wood made, and also for the tank box as well. So if you've liked this video, please give me a like, hype and subscribe, and don't forget to head over to inductionheaters.co.uk for your 10% discount against what Tom offers. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. We'll see you later. Tarra.